At AWS, we're reinventing communications together. And we want you to be a part of the experience at the AWS Virtual Village on demand. See how we're enabling CSPs to transform and offer an unlimited range of new services, delivering on the promise of 5G and beyond. As well as a fantastic lineup of more than 25 industry leaders providing business impact keynotes ready to view at your leisure. Plus, experience a fully interactive 360-degree tour, including 3 demo showcases, each exploring enterprise use cases that are unlocking growth and monetizing 5G. Don't miss AWS's CEO Adam Slipsky with VP of AWS Telecom Business Unit Adolfo Hernandez as they unveil an industry-first 5G cloud-native announcement in the opening keynote, Reinventing Communications Together. Or the AWS Executive Spotlight sessions with Dish, Harman, and Swisscom. In addition, Ishwar Purulkar, Chief Technologist for Telecommunications at AWS, shares how we are powering the next wave of telecom innovation. Upstairs, immerse yourself in the AWS Pavilion, where you'll find an interactive tour hidden within the city landscape. Here, you can also learn how AWS can help you to scale your network, simplify operations, reimagine your customer experience, and unlock the growth potential of your business. After, engage with AWS's ecosystem of partners, delivering telecom-specific solutions in the Partner Showcase. Or view one of the many partner sessions by Nokia, Kaltura, Federated Wireless, Netcracker, Amdocs, Broadpeak TV, and Mavenir. Don't miss your chance to engage, explore, and discover how AWS is reinventing communications together. Join us now.